If you love chicken salad but want to avoid all of the unhealthy ingredients, this recipe is for you. We'll start by pulling apart a rotisserie chicken and then chopping it into smaller pieces. In total, I got 6 cups of chicken from this one rotisserie chicken. To make this more efficient, I grabbed a pair of kitchen scissors and just cut it up into tiny pieces. I'll also do this in the container that I'll be storing everything in, so you don't have to move ingredients back and forth. It just makes it easy. Next, I'll take 4 sticks of celery, thinly slice that as well. If you love celery and want to add a little bit more, you absolutely can. Totally up to you and your preference. It also depends on how much crunch you want in your chicken salad. I feel like 4 sticks is a pretty good amount. Not too overpowering, but you'll still get a little bit of that crunch and some of that flavor. The next ingredient we are adding is fresh parsley. I added about 2 tablespoons worth. I'm sure you've seen the common theme so far, which is slicing everything up into littler pieces, which is exactly what we're gonna do with the parsley as well. Add that into your container, and then we're moving on to the yogurt. I recommend plain Greek yogurt, and try to find a brand that is high in protein and check the ingredients. Try to find one that doesn't have a lot of additives or extra ingredients in there, and definitely make sure there's no added sugar. For this recipe, I used 1.5 cups. For this next ingredient, we are adding some flavor. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard just to get a little bit of spice and a little bit of heat in there. Nothing too crazy though. And make sure you have a lemon on hand because we're juicing 1 lemon over top as well. For the final 2 ingredients, we've got good old-fashioned salt and pepper. We've got 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Make sure you mix everything together well, and that is it. You've got a delicious and healthy, clean ingredient chicken salad recipe. This is perfect to add on to a salad, add to a sandwich, use chips. If you have extra celery, you can scoop celery in here. And make sure if you're new to the channel, you subscribe for more healthy meal recipes and ideas.